The 2026 Dacia Dokker Camper van marks a fascinating return for a nameplate many thought had been permanently retired in favor of the jogger. While the original Dokker was a utilitarian workhorse, this new generation has been completely reimagined as a dedicated leisure vehicle. It retains the boxy, high-roof silhouette that made its predecessor a favorite for DIY conversions, but adds a level of factory, finished polish that feels much more competitive in the modern market. The exterior design has undergone a significant transformation, moving away from its budget, commercial roots toward a rugged, lifestyle aesthetic. You will notice the signature Y-shaped LED lighting and the bold, new Dacia Link emblem front and center. The 2026 model features more muscular wheel arches and higher ground clearance, especially in the stepway-inspired trims, which gives it the appearance of a mini overlander rather than a delivery van. Stepping inside, the cabin is no longer the sea of hard, gray plastics it once was. Dacia has introduced more tactile materials and a modern dashboard layout centered around a large, floating touchscreen infotainment system. This screen is the nerve center of the van, offering seamless wireless connectivity and, in some camper-specific versions, integrated controls for checking battery levels and water tanks. The Sleep Pack integration is where the 2026 Dokker truly shines as a camper. Unlike the aftermarket kits of the past, this system is engineered to fit the chassis perfectly, allowing for a fold-out bed that remains incredibly sturdy. The bed is wide enough to comfortably accommodate 2 adults, and when folded, it resides in the boot as a modular storage box that doesn't compromise the second row of seats during daily driving. Storage remains the Dokker's greatest strength, with the 2026 model utilizing every available cubic inch of space. You'll find overhead aircraft-style lockers and hidden compartments under the floorboards that are perfect for stashing gear. The high roof allows for a sense of verticality that most small vans lack, making it feel significantly less claustrophobic when you are hunkered down for the night during a rainstorm. For the first time, Dacia has introduced a mild, hybrid powertrain to the Dokker lineup, which is a game changer for long-distance road trippers. The 1.2 LTC engine works in tandem with a small electric motor to provide better low-end torque, which is particularly helpful when the van is fully loaded with camping equipment. Fuel efficiency is impressive, often hovering around the 5L/100 km mark on highway stretches. The driving experience is notably more refined than the buzzy, hollow feel of the previous generation. Enhanced soundproofing means you can actually hold a conversation at 110 km/h without shouting over wind noise. The suspension has been tuned to be slightly softer, soaking up the bumps of unpaved campsite access roads with surprising grace, though it still leans a bit in tight corners due to its height. Cooking in the Dokker is a minimalist affair, usually involving a slide-out drawer system in the rear. The 2026 factory conversion includes a single burner gas stove and a small integrated sink with a dedicated water container. While you won't be preparing 5-course meals, it is perfectly adequate for morning coffee and simple trail-side lunches, keeping the spirit of simplicity alive. Privacy and climate control have also seen upgrades, with Dacia offering custom-fit blackout blinds that snap into place magnetically. These are a massive improvement over suction cup versions, as they provide a total light seal for stealth camping. The thermal insulation in the side panels has been beefed up, helping to keep the interior cooler in the summer and retaining heat longer during those crisp autumn nights. Safety technology is now standard across the board, which is a major leap forward for the Dokker name. Features like lane keeping assist, emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition are all present. For campers, the rear view camera is an absolute essential, as the modular camper box in the back can sometimes obstruct the traditional line of sight through the rear view mirror. The value proposition remains the most compelling reason to choose a Dacia. While the price has naturally crept up with the addition of new tech and hybrid systems, it still undercuts competitors like the VW Caddy California or the Renault Kangoo by a significant margin. You are essentially getting a ready-to-go adventure vehicle for the price of a mid-spec hatchback from other manufacturers. Off-road enthusiasts will be pleased with the optional extended grip system, which uses clever electronics to manage traction on slippery surfaces. While it isn't a true 4x4 with low-range gears, it provides enough confidence to tackle sandy beach paths or muddy festival fields. For those who want more, the aftermarket support for the 2026 chassis is already robust, with lift kits and all-terrain tire packages readily available. Ultimately, the 2026 Dacia Dokker Camper van is the perfect entry point for anyone looking to dip their toes into van life, without the stress of a DIY build or the debt of a full-sized motorhome. It is honest, efficient, and surprisingly capable. It doesn't pretend to be a luxury hotel on wheels. Instead, it offers a reliable, comfortable base camp for people who would rather spend their time outside the van than inside it.